My name is Yemi Alade. I came all the way from Nigeria, and it is an honor to be here in Rwanda in Kinigi. I am honored to name my baby gorilla Kundwa. Kundwa means loved, and her mother is Mbaga. Kundwa was born on the 1st of May, 2025. She's barely 7 months old. No, I think she's older than that, but okay. Well, as the first daughter of her mother, I would know better because I'm also the first daughter of my mom. It's a huge responsibility, but it's a position that can never be replaced because there's only one first daughter. Yesterday, I had the honor to be welcomed by the gray silverback alpha gorilla, Mr. Gahinga, early yesterday morning. This allowed us to sit and watch them eat and socialize, and I observed and shared awe of these majestic, powerful herbivores. As my friend said, the mountain giants. I immediately could see the emotional connections between child and mother. The minute I laid my eyes on the beautiful Kundwa, it was love at first sight. I feel even more gratitude to all the guides, to the community, to all the trackers who spent hours to find the gorilla family before we did. Thank you so much, because it is the love that you have extended to the gorillas that they have been able to accept us into their family. I learned some languages such as and I feel like they are my family, and I love my baby Kundwa. Thank you once again. See you later.